That's the future DJI is teasing right now with the Avata 360. And in January 2026, the leaks are everywhere, pointing to this being the real game changer for FPV fans. Not just another incremental Avata 3, but something way more creative. What's up, FPV crew? Welcome back to the channel where we break down the hottest drone leaks, rumors, and insider scoops so you stay ahead of the pack. Today we're going all in on the DJI Avata series evolution in 2026. If you're debating whether to grab an Avata 2 right now, upgrade your setup, or hold out for the next drop, this video is for you. We're talking fresh 2026 leaks, why older Avata 3 rumors got flipped on their head, what the Avata 360 really brings, potential specs for a standard Avata 3 later this year, and why this could make your current drone feel outdated overnight. Stick around till the end because there's a big wait or buy decision coming that could save you serious cash or regret. First off, let's clear the air on the biggest twist. Those leaked photos from mid-2025 that everyone called the Avata 3, turns out they were prototypes for the DJI Avata 360. Reliable sources like DroneXL and top leakers confirmed it. DJI pivoted hard into 360-degree capture to directly battle Insta360 Centi-Gravity A1 and similar rigs. No traditional Avata 3 has dropped yet in early 2026. And insiders say the classic follow-up might not hit until late 2026. DJI's roadmap is packed. Pocket 4, RS5 gimbal, maybe even more, but the Avata line is getting this wild 360 twist first. If you've been waiting for Avata 3, based on old rumors, this changes everything. Are you hyped for spherical FPV? Or do you want the pure Sinuhope upgrade? Let me know in the comments. The camera system is where the magic happens. Rumors point to dual ultrawide lenses for true 360 video. Likely 8K spherical capture or high-res stitched footage, with 10-bit color for pro grading. Low light performance gets a boost thanks to larger sensors, possibly 1/1.3 inch or better per lens, crushing the Avata 2's grainy night flights. Imagine flying freestyle through a dark warehouse, then reframing any direction in post. Every flip, every dive captured perfectly. No more damn, I missed that angle. For creators, this is huge. One flight, infinite shots. And if a standard Avata 3 does come later, leaks suggest it keeps or upgrades to a 1-inch CMOS sensor, 4K at 120 frames per second or higher, insane dynamic range, and HDR that handles brutal lighting like a champ. Transmission and goggles? Expect OcuSync 4 or an evolved version, lower latency. Longer range up to 30 kilometers in ideal conditions. Rock solid in crowded areas. Goggles compatibility likely stays with Goggles 3 or a refresh model. Higher refresh rates. Wider FOV to kill motion sickness. Speed. The duct Sinuhope design sticks around for crash resistance, but with refined motors and props. Top speeds rumored 80-100 plus mph in manual. Burst acceleration that feels explosive. Flight time pushes toward 25 to 35 minutes depending on the model. Way better than Avata 2 shorter sessions. Safety features might include smarter omnidirectional sensing, though FPV purists will love that manual mode stays raw and unrestricted. Price talk. Avata 360 could land around $1,000 to $1,400 for base or fly more kits. Higher if bundled with new goggles or extras. A potential late 2026 Avata 3 might sit similar or slightly above Avata 2 levels. $1,100 to $1,500 combos. Worth the wait? If you're deep into content creation, yes, the 360 capability is revolutionary. For pure freestyle racing or traditional FPV, maybe hold for the standard version. Compared to competitors, Insta360's 360 drones are strong, but DJI's ecosystem, motion controllers, app integration, reliability, locks you in harder. And with US availability questions lingering from regulations, grabbing an Avata 2 now might be smart before any shifts. Other leaked goodies. AI-assisted reframing for 360 shots, faster charging batteries, modular repairs, maybe even switchable modes between standard FPV and full spherical. Build quality stays tough. Props, ducks, all crash ready. If you're new to FPV, this lineup makes entry easier with tutorials and beginner modes, but scales to pro edits that look Hollywood level. The drone world is exploding right now. Reddit, X, forums all buzzing about Avata 360 leaks and what comes next. Some say DJI rushed this to counter Insta360's January 2026 pushes. Others think a full Avata 3 refresh is still brewing for late year. Bottom line, don't drop cash on upgrades blindly. If these features excite you, waiting pays off. If you need to fly now, Avata 2 is still a beast.